Welcome to University of Tsukuba Libraries. This video shows how to read an electronic journal. To find an e-journal, click e-journals on the top page of the library website. When searching for a specific journal, type the title or ISSN in the search bar. Let's see the first journal. Below the title, you will find the coverage dates and the database of the journal you can read. It may be available in multiple databases. Select the database that contains the issue you need. Let's assume that you need the article which was published in 2018. These two databases cover 2018. For example, let's click ProQuest Central. The latest issue is displayed on the first screen. Select the published year and the issue you need, and click View Issue button. And then, the list of the articles in the issue will be displayed. Click a title to display the detailed information or the text. In this case, full text is displayed. Options such as download as a PDF are here.